Did you know there is a better way to keep track of your assets? iTrackz, asset tracking for industry. It knows what assets you have. It knows where your assets are. People, equipment, supplies, whatever you need to keep an eye on, especially if it is moved around. Anytime, in any location, accurately, in a minute. It is easy to install. Anyone can do it, including maintenance staff, in no time at all. Just put the tag on anything you want to track. Forget about wires and power outlets. The tag does the job itself. Get started with just a few assets, then add as many as you need. Your complete inventory, if you like. Don't worry if an asset gets too far away. It will reconnect once back in range. iTrackz asset tracking works well in buildings, in storage units, and outdoors. Whatever you need to keep an eye on, wherever it may be. iTrackz asset tracking, a brilliant way to never lose anything again.